So hey, what's up guys, this is Karthik and welcome back to CodeLearn. So guys, in the previously video we have learned about how to create a first project in Python which is calculator, and in this video we are going to learn about external and built-in modules in Python. So before wasting our time, make sure that you have liked this video and subscribe to CodeLearn Docs channel. So let's get started. So guys, here in the documentation of external and built-in modules, which is available on colondocs.pythonenvy.com. So here you can see what are modules in Python. A module is a file containing Python definitions and statements, and guess a module can define functions, classes and variables, and a module can also include runnable codes. Grouping related code into a module makes the code easier to understand and use. So guys, there are two types of modules in Python. First is external module and second is built-in module. So let's see what are external modules. So these external modules have to be downloaded externally. They are not already present like the built-in ones, and guys, installing them is a rather easy task and can be done by using the command pip install and the module name and in the compiler terminal. And guys, being familiar with all the modules seems like a long shot for even best of programmers, because there are so many modules available out there. So guys, we can search and find modules accordingly to our needs. So here you can see some examples of external module. First is Flask, second is, so guys, this is PyTTSX3 module, and after that you can see import speech recognition and Wikipedia and web browser, OS and HTML. So guys, after that you can see built-in modules. So guys, built-in modules are written in C and integrated with Python shell. And guys, each built-in module contains resources for certain system specific functionalities, and you can see guys, such as OS management, disk IO, etc. And the standard library also contains many Python scripts with the .py extension containing useful utilities. So guys, I hope you understand this external and built-in modules in Python, and in the next video we will learn something more about Python. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.